Pour me out on your side. Wanna be yours for.
So this is where I live.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes my class's sister come over, well,
Okay.
but you can have a seat.
Alright.
You want anything to drink?
No.
No? You sure? Water, mudslide.
Yeah, I have a little mudslide with a 2 piece of ice.
Alright, no problem.
Okay.
Just relax, alright?
Okay, no problem.
If you want to put your feet up, you can do that.
Okay.
So as you requested, a little mudslide with 2 scoops of ice.
Thank you.
Mm.
So what's going on? Haven't seen you for so long.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was good just now though, I must say.
Sure.
Yeah. Lasted much longer than I expected, but
Yeah.
yeah.
And I enjoyed.
I hope you don't get pregnant on me now, cause.
Oh my. Don't have to worry.
Hmm?
Don't have to
Yeah.
worry about that.
Okay.
Who's this?
Huh?
Who's this?
Oh, hold on. But give me a second here. Just
Okay,
hold on. Just.
Sweetie. Who is that lady out there, sir?
What do you mean? This is my house. Me carry anybody here.
And I'm your wife.
Well, today you're not my wife. Today you're my sister. So you're gonna.
Excuse me?
Today you are my sister, and you're gonna tell her to you're my sister.
Okay.
Don't you dare go out there and act a fool. Today you're my sister. You're gonna behave like you're my sister.
Am I your sister? Am I really your sister?
Today you're my sister.
Oh, so you didn't know I'm your sister till when we were all in
Today you are my sister.
Okay.
Well, I'm sorry. Remember I told you about my cross's sister? Coming over sometimes. This is her. This is my cross's sister. All right.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Sis, this is Michelle, my woman friend.
So Michelle, where are you from? I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Okay.
Yeah. So when I go to collect the barrel and I get these nice shirts, she's the one that actually sends them for me. Yeah, the couple dresses that you have, she sent them too.
Really?
Yeah, so you need to be very appreciative of her.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Right. But anyways, we're having a conversation, so if you could just excuse from here, that would be gladly appreciated.
Okay. Thank
All right.
you. And
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you.
Yeah.
Wanted, I wanna be yours for a while. Pour me out on your side.
Oh, can't take this no more. I have my husband and my husband I go tell him. So if you tell woman say me her sister, me her sister. Oh gosh. Let me put myself in a tired of this behavior.
Alright, but anyways, it was nice having you here. It was nice seeing you again. But we can meet up tomorrow. Maybe we can find, because idiot the there, we can probably find a guest house or, I don't know, maybe find a motel. Yeah. Alright, but anyways, let me walk you out. Hello, let me tell you something. You see, when I have guests over here, don't you dare behave like you don't have no sense, because you and me know what exactly I'll do to you.
So you don't have any respect for me?
Respect for what?
Excuse me?
Respect for what?
So what the hell you married me? Why did you marry me? Why did you marry me?
Because that's for paper purposes only. What the hell am I doing with somebody like you?
Excuse me?
Can you mind me? What can you do for me?
Oh, so she's the one giving you all that money?
Yeah. What did you expect? What were you expecting? She's the one taking care of me so that I can take care of you.
I don't take care of you?
In what way?
In every way possible.
Shut up. Don't you dare say one more word in this house. I pay bills in this house.
You cannot talk to me like that.
Shut your mouth. When I talk in this house, the only time you respond to me is when I tell you to respond to me.
You treat me like I'm not your wife. I'm your wife.
You are nothing to me. Your wife on paper.
I am nothing to you?
Listen, again, when I talk in this house, you listen. The only time you say something is when I tell you to say something.
So guess what? I'm not the wife. I'm done cooking. Let me go.
You're going to listen to me. In this house, you're going to listen to me.
Okay.
And the next time she comes over here, you are going to behave yourself like the little dog you're supposed to be.
Okay. Okay. Kiyla, can I come over, please? Alright, when I come, I talk to you. Alright, thank you. Honestly, I'm leaving. This is too much. Very much. Stress is real. Hey, girl.
Hey,
What's up?
what's going on?
Not good.
Just one time out.
Nothing.
And what is this?
Just a bruise. Oh my God.
Bruise? How you have a bruise? And why I have one shades on the inside? What's going on with your eye?
My husband.
Sam, what your husband do ya?
As I came the other day, I saw him with a lady in the house. Right? I asked him, who is this lady? He pulled me in the room and started tell her that you're my sister. Disrespectful. Because I don't want the embarrassment, I went in there and I tell her I'm his sister. They're in there in the room, hugging and kissing, and I'm there, you know, Kiyla?
So you were a fool?
Yes, I'm the dog, he said. And after their hours in the house, the girl leave. He came in the room starting to beat me. I should not embarrass him and all them something there.
Oh my gosh.
And
Nah,
it's too much. Look at my skin.
Yeah.
Look at my skin. Look at my face.
So what is your next plan?
I'm not going back. I am not going back.
Well, sis, let me tell you something. I have a room inside, and you have everything there. If you want anything to eat, anything to drink, I will clothe you.
I don't want to
You
eat.
don't deserve that type of
I
treatment.
love that man. I love him.
Love, this is not marks of love. This could never be love. It could never be love. If you go back there, he's a damn fool. Take what I telling you. Take what I telling you. Look how you're looking. How the man could treat you like that? Because of a woman?
Because of a woman. Woman claimed to the woman gave him money every time. So because I can't flourish him with money, that's how he treat me.
You don't deserve to be treated that way. Take up your things and go inside and rest yourself. I will come and talk to you shortly.
Oh gosh.
I hate it, and get some ice and look how it's swollen.
It hurt real bad. It hurt.
Who is that? I come in. Goody.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I come from my wife. What do you mean?
Wife after I beat you up so?
She's my wife. What do you
After I
mean?
beat you up so?
She's my wife.
Yes, but that's my friend. I have to protect her.
Yeah, we're not gonna argue about it. Samantha.
Samantha, nothing.
Samantha.
Samantha, nothing.
Your husband is here. Your husband is here.
Samantha, if you leave and go back with this man, he's stupid.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you.
Can you excuse
If you
us?
leave and go
Hello.
with him, you're
Excuse me.
stupid.
Hello. Can you excuse me, please? Thank you. I need to have a word with my wife.
Okay. All right. And where you going with the bag? Where you going with the bag?
Is she your wife or my wife?
I was not speaking to you. I was speaking to her. Where you going with the
Anyways,
bag?
I don't have no time for that. Honey, what are you doing? I went home. You weren't home.
Look at my face.
That's because you were being disobedient.
Call
You
me
were
a
being
dog.
disrespectful to me.
Call me nobody.
I'm not here to argue. I'm just here to take you home. That's it. I'm not here to argue in any way. I don't have time for the argument. I'm just here to take you home. And you would have been here because she's the only friend you have. She's not a good friend anyway. So I don't even know why you came here and why you're listening to her.
Why is it-
Listening to the foolishness that she's
What are
telling
you
you.
gonna say? She's not my.
She's not your friend.
She's my friend from high school. She's my friend.
I'm your husband.
Oh, so now you're my husband.
I've always been your husband. So I've always been your husband. I don't
So who am I
understand.
to you?
You're my wife. And that's why I'm here to take
so
you
now
home.
I'm your wife.
We're not going to have an argument. Just know that I'm here to take you home, and that is final.
Fine.
So where's the decision?
She's going to...
I was not speaking to you, bro.
No. But she's not going to talk to you. I'm talking to you. I'm here to take her
What is your
home because she's
decision,
my
Samantha?
wife.
Are you leaving or
Thank
are
you very much for your
staying?
time. Thank you very much for answering when I called at the door. But your time is finished now.
All right, Samantha. Anything, call me.
Drunk?
Yes.
I'm not drunk.
I see
Just
why.
can't drunk me.
You're drunk.
What you do?
You're drunk. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. No. No.
Honey? Honey, what's wrong? Are you crying? Want what? What?
Yes, that's what you did.
I did what?
You raped me.
Me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, you raped me. You raped me.
Oh my god. I honestly I don't even remember what happened last night.
I told you no.
The only thing I remember, my dad at the bar.
You came in drunk. I started taking the buckle from you. Started hurting me and throw me on the bed and started to rape me.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I wasn't thinking straight. I'm so. I was. It wasn't me. I mean, it was. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hello?
Hi, what's up? You
Hi,
good?
Kayla. I'm alright.
You sure? Why you sounding like that?
It's been a lot going on, but I am here holding on.
A lot going on like what, yeah?
You know already. You know already.
You still doing the same thing?
Of course, he's still doing the same
And you're
thing.
still there?
And guess what?
What?
I am pregnant.
Craig, who?
Pregnant?
For him?
Yes.
And what you gonna go about this pregnancy?
I can't do anything but bring it to the world.
So you don't free the pieces out there?
That's what I'm scared of.
Oh Lord. You tell him yet?
No, I don't know. You're the first person I call and tell.
So you wanna come over? You wanna come over by me?
I think that is a good idea. No, I don't want any trouble, so I'll just stay and see.
Alright,
I want to see his reaction when I tell him.
alright, okay then. Well, you'll keep me posted, okay?
All right, then no
And
problem there.
congratulations on your pregnancy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
We'll talk later.
All right, there.
Oh, hey, love.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
There, I know. I feel a little tired.
Where you been?
Oh, sis is here.
I'm not his sis.
What are you talking about?
I'm his wife.
You're what?
I am his wife.
Can I wait for you to talk
tell
with my
me
friend?
what's going on.
No. Listen, we had this conversation.
Don't listen to me. I am his wife and I'm carrying his child.
Really?
Yes, I am pregnant.
I'm the one who supply with everything, every need and everything. So what's
I don't care. I don't care. This has to end right now.
Sweetie, tell me what's going on.
It has to end right now.
This is a mad woman. That's the first thing.
So all the night you've been on me. You didn't know I'm a mad woman.
No, I can't stay in this. What's really going on?
Babes, where you?
Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Really, sweetie?
Firstly, this is my house.
Get out of my house.
I'm leaving.
No, wait, where you going?
I can't
Get out of my house.
Disrespect. Oh my God. No, I'm leaving.
Get out of my house. Every time you disrespect me, I'm tired of it.
Are you a crazy lady? Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
What do you want to do with me right now? I'm fed up of it. I'm carrying a baby.
Don't tell me no shit about no baby.
You
just got rid of the one opportunity.
You were here telling me you want a child and now you don't want any.
Shut up. You just got rid of the one opportunity.
To hell with her! To hell with her!
As long as he in there. You dead? You dead?
Yes, devoted.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
My finger got
You good? Yeah, let me go. Put it on the floor.